Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you wanna know how you can make beautiful, colorful polymer clay and wire cabochon bracelets like these, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's begin with soft aluminum wire. Leave 10 centimeters, make one loop, leave 4 more, make another one, and you get this shape. Get a cylindrical object and wrap like this around it. Get the shorter end of your wire, bring it to the opposite loop and wrap it around twice. Remove and now take the longer end and try to make a small 8 like this. Grab both loops and push towards the center to form an oval. Place the 8 inside the oval and get the free end of this 8 shape and wrap it around the other loop twice again. Cut the excess wire from both sides and you have this. Twist so you bring both loops at horizontal position and then tighten and straighten the wire around these loops with your pliers. You will need to make 5 or maybe 6 depending on your wrist size. To connect them, you can use jump rings, but I'm going to show you another way. Use a piece of the same wire about 5 centimeters. Pass it through both loops like this and bend it so it will form a ring. Try to pass the other end of this ring through both loops again, like this. And now tighten as much as you can and use your pliers to tighten some more. But make sure that both pieces move freely. Next one, place it and repeat the process. You have to do that 4 or 5 times depending on how many cabochons you want for your bracelet. It's a little difficult to make these kind of knots with wire, but aluminum wire is quite soft. So take your time and finish the bracelet connections. And this is how it looks so far. To complete the wire work, we need to make a nice pattern using these straight wires. Using your pliers, very easily turn each end into a tiny, tight spiral. Bring it as close as you can to the central connecting loops of the bracelet. Do that for both ends. Of course, if you like, you could use another color of wire, perhaps silver, to bring variety to your cabochon bracelet. Finally, twist the spirals to face at opposite sides, and this is the wire part. The next step is polymer clay, translucent, white, grey, the color of your choice, and black. Cut all your polymer clay into small pieces and mix together. Mash them together and roll into a ball. After this, roll this ball into a fat cane about the length of your bracelet. If it seems too much clay, it's better to have more than less. Cut a small piece, twist it, marble it, and make it look like a very interesting colored stone. Now press like this on the cabochon frame, but don't press too hard to make it flat. Next piece, of course, looks a little bit different. You have to do this for all the cabochons of your bracelet. Try to bury this 8 shape at the back of your cabochon into the clay, because this 8 is the support for your clay. Clean the perimeter with your knife so the wire frame is visible. Work a little more to give it a nice shape, and this is all it takes. With a wet wipe, clean any finger marks or dirt, and then take it to the oven, let it cool, and varnish. And this was how you can make polymer clay and wire colorful cabochon bracelets.